Good evening, YouTube family. Welcome again to my channel. It's me, Roselyn. It's been a long time, hey? Hindi ako nakapag-upload ng bagong videos, but I'm back. Tonight, I'm going to show you guys a new recipe with a twist. So, I'm going to make my beef soup. It's Vietnamese soup. They called it pho. I'm practicing the pronunciation how the Vietnamese people pronounce it. So it says pho. Okay, so that's the kind of soup that I'm going to show you. I'm going to make tonight. These noodles was born in northern Vietnam, according to my research. Was born in northern Vietnam in mid 1880s. Guys, super duper long. Ang tagal na, no? So 1880s pa siya. So this dish heavily influenced by both Chinese and French cooking. So, sabi, the rice noodles and the spices are imported from China to Vietnam long time ago, and it's both French because they are using red meat like beef. So if you find this interesting, please keep watching. For the ingredients for the soup, because I'm gonna make the broth, the beef broth. So we have three pieces of star anise. This is star anise. Okay. So you can buy this from the Chinese store or Asian store. And also I'm gonna be using 3 cardamom pods. Okay, so that's the cardamom pods. These are green. So I usually I also make this I also use these cardamom pods for my korma curry. And a thumb size of ginger sliced, and a half of big white onion. Okay, big white onion. And also I'm gonna cheat this time. I'm gonna use beef cube, 1 beef cube, and also a small bunch of coriander. I don't have coriander seeds, so I'm gonna use the fresh coriander with the leaves and the stems in it. And yeah, so also I have 5 beef bones for the soup. So 5 beef soup bones. Okay, so I bought this from Save-On. If you are watching from Canada, guys, so I bought this from Save-On. Yeah, and it's because I'm using lots of water, 12 cups of water for the broth. So I'm gonna add in maybe a tablespoon of salt. Naubos na yung aking Himalayan salt, guys. Pero meron pa naman akong pang season. What else? Yeah, so I think my water is boiling right now. Okay guys, so the 12 cups of water is boiling. We have to add in the bones. Okay, I'm gonna use the thong. The thong thing. Oops. Also, we can add in all these spices. The 3-star anise, ginger, the 3 cardamom pods, onions, and the coriander, and also the beef cubes. Oops. I don't know what happened to my throat. Okay guys, so the 12 cups of water is boiling. We have to add in the bones. I'm gonna use the tongs. Oops. This is my hands. There you go. Also, we can add in all these spices. The 3-star anise, ginger, the 3 cardamom pods, onions, coriander, and also the beef cube. Oops. I don't know what happened to my throat. Okay, so I'm not really measuring. I don't really measure, guys, if I'm in the kitchen. Just use the estimate calculation of the ingredients. So I'm gonna add in salt. Okay. So I'm gonna leave it to boil and simmer for 1 hour. Okay guys, so this is the beef broth. So I'm going to let it boil and simmer for 1 hour, and then later I'm gonna discard the spices. Okay, so we just need the soup. And so this is an advanced making of the soup, of the broth I mean. So these are another ingredients for our pho soup. So I bought this 1 slice of strip loin beef. So this is fresh. Medyo may kamahalan na yung presyo, pero I'm pretty sure masarap. Okay, so tsaka pinili ko to kasi ano siya, mabilis lang, di ba? Mabilis lang siya pag tapos na yung pag may ano ka na, may stock ka na or may soup ka na, mamaya so you have to slice it thinly, and then later i-add in mo na lang to sa soup for, you know, pag nag-boil na, then i-add mo na lang siya sa last. And then yeah, hindi mo na kailangan i-boil siya ng ilang minutes or hour, something like that. Then so of course our lime for to taste. And don't forget the rice noodles. Okay, and also to garnish I have Thai basil leaves or Thai basil leaves. This is to garnish. So, bumili ako ng isang, ano na talaga siya, buhay, para, I hope, makip ko siya. Okay. And then, also to garnish, meron tayong cilantro or coriander. So, that's to garnish. And, I want to make it spicy. So, lagyan ko siya ng green chili. And the 250 grams of bean sprout. Kailan, I don't know. This is a Chinese green leafy vegetables. It's really nice for soup. I use it for dumpling soup too, and I think I can use it for my pho soup. Right, look at this, guys. The fats from the beef bones, and maybe also from the beef cubes that I used. Look at that. It becomes solid. And it's easy to discard. You can use the strainer as well to discard them. And also the spices. Okay guys, the soup is boiling and we're gonna add in these ingredients. Yeah. So we're gonna add in them to the soup, or actually the beef is very quick to cook because it's a steak. So it's totally up to you. You can put your noodles in one big bowl and put all the ingredients in one big bowl, and including the beef, and add the boiled water to it and let it stand for 3 to 5 minutes, and it's ready to cook. We don't want to overcook our beef because it's gonna be chewy. Okay. The soup is ready. So, right, so just put the rice noodles in a bowl, and then followed by bean sprout. So I'm gonna make 1 serving. So actually the stock is a lot, so you can freeze them or put them in the freezer. Or put them in the fridge for the following day if you want to use more, some of it, some leftover. Okay, if you want leftover soup for the following day. So that's it. And I think I'm going to add in the beef here. Okay, I slice them very thin, and they are very quick to cook. So I'm just add in boiling, the boiling stuff in here. Or you can add the beef in the pot. The green vegetables I'm gonna add in the pot. Alright, so I still have this beef. So I'm gonna add in the pot. Alright, oops. Followed by the kailan. Okay guys, the beef is already cooked, you see? Okay. And some of green chili, half of green chili. Actually, the green chili, I put them in the freezer to preserve them. Okay, so that's why their seeds turns into brown. Okay, and add in the lime. Add in the lime juice. Okay, you see, it's so fast, very quick. So now we're gonna add in the soup here. So by adding the hot soup in your bowl, you can cover it or wait until 5 minutes until your beef cooked. Right. So you see the transformation is really fast. It's really fast. Okay. And so I'm just gonna turn the fire off. So I'm gonna turn the fire off. And now I just add in some of the green veggies. You can omit these green veggies, but since I have the garland, then I just use it to make it more healthier. Gonna add in this. With the herbs. Might add in more bean sprout. Great, so my Vietnamese pho soup is ready.